everyone, it's a beautiful day and welcome back to 5 Tool Wednesday? Wednesday. Hi, I'm Ira, and in today's video I'm going to give you 5 seemingly unrelated tools that you can... Did you hear that? In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 unrelated tools that you can... Hold on just a sec. I think I just gotta get the door. Tim?
I repel Jay. I challenge you to an...
Sorry, buddy, I don't know what that was about. Hey, Ira, it's Tim from Black Flag Leather. I notice you're 5 Tool Tuesday all the time, so I'm going to challenge you to a knife fight, bud. Here's the rules. You need to build a knife sheath for a Swiss Army knife. The catch is you can only use tools found on a Swiss Army knife or tools that you've made using a Swiss Army knife. None of your fancy rounded knives or crazy Juan Carlo knives or stuff I've never heard of. It'll be just super basic. You make one of these, I make one of these, we see who does it better. What do you say? If you accept the challenge, let me know.
Okay, Tim from Black Flag Leather, I accept your challenge. 5 tools in one? It's like a dream come true. Oh, by the way, Ira, are you talking to me? Yeah, you. Don't forget to send people to watch Tim's video where he comes up with that crazy idea. Oh right, that's up on his channel right now. And make sure you tell everyone to subscribe, okay? Okay. And to like our video and Tim's video. And to watch both videos next week, because I'm doing the challenge video where I actually build the sheath with the Swiss Army knife. And Tim's doing a video where he does the same thing. Make sure you go subscribe to Tim's channel and like his video. And subscribe to our channel and like my video. Okay, what he said. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week on 1 Tool Wednesday. Peace.